This video tutorial I will explain fill method of arrays class which accept int array and int value. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the int array. It has 5 int values. Then I am displaying the int array content. Then I am calling fill method of arrays class and passing int array and value to be filled. What this fill method will do is it fills the int array content with value 8. After fill method is called, I am displaying the int array content and here you can see the output. The int array content is filled with value 8. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.